Welcome. In this video I will share 20 beginner tips and tricks for GARMIN Bounce 2. First of all, download and set up the GARMIN Junior application. You can download it either from the App Store or from the Google Play Store on an Android device. It's the essential application without which you basically practically don't have any features on this device. This is the application for the parents primarily, for you to set up everything for your child's watch. And once you download it and signed into your GARMIN account, the first thing I would recommend you doing is purchasing the connectivity subscription, as basically it's the essential subscription, and it's responsive for most of the features this device presents, like calling, GPS tracking, and things like messages, setting boundaries for a child. There is a lot different things. So all you have to do is go to your child's dashboard right here, go to settings, then find connectivity here, and here you'll find under view options you'll find two subscription types. One is the monthly subscription, and one is the earliest annual subscription. The annual is slightly cheaper, though. The monthly subscription is, I think, $10 for US and Canada, and €11 for Europe, and annual one costs either $100 or $110 for US and Canada, and €110 for Europe. Now the next step is connecting to the Wi-Fi, and also add different Wi-Fis to this list by tapping the plus icon, selecting different Wi-Fis your child might find themselves nearby. Because this way it will improve the GPS tracking in buildings, and it will also help you save battery on your GARMIN, as the GARMIN itself uses LTE for GPS tracking, and the basic GPS tracker for it, and Wi-Fi uses much less battery, and once your child is nearby the Wi-Fi, the available Wi-Fi, it will switch to the Wi-Fi automatically, and therefore it will save battery on your device. So just I started speaking too much. Okay, so just select the network that you want to connect to, provide a password, and tap continue, and the network will be added to the networks list. Also, once you purchase the connectivity subscription, you can start setting boundaries, which are temporarily geofences for your child, that allow you to set regions like home, maybe some park, school, friend's house, and many other different geofences that will let you know whenever child left the safe zone or the geofence. So that's a great security feature for you as a parent. Now the next thing is the do not disturb mode, and what's even more interesting is school mode, which is presented in this in this watch. It's available again in the settings menu. Go to the parental controls. Here you can enable the school mode, which can either be set to silent or silent and restricted. Well, silent and restricted will restrict some additional features on your child's watch. I think things like games. There are 3 pre-installed games on this watch. So basically, it will restrict all the things that might distract your child from focusing on the subject. And so you can also set a do not disturb during sleep, just like in the case of school mode, you can set either silent or silent and restricted option. Now the next thing is customizing your watch faces. To customize your watch faces, go to the apps menu on the watch, select watch face, and then you can either select a watch face from the gallery, or you can add a new one by tapping plus icon and setting one of the available watch faces. For some reason, it looks for me like some bug that I encountered on this watch. No, yeah, so you can customize watch faces and set one of the presets or the watch face from the gallery on your device. You can also add multiple guardians, which is very cool and very important feature on your device. In order to set add multiple guardians and basically family members, you have to go to the more in the application, then go to the family, and in family select invite member, provide their email address and select their permission level here. Now the next feature, which is also available via the subscription, is the two-way calling. Basically what it means is that both your child and you can call each other. You can call your child using your smartphone and this application using the Connect tab, and your child can simply enable a phone on their watch. You can also send voice messages. Yeah, in your case, you just have to select a chat with your child and start speaking to record an audio message, and your child can go to messages and select either the keyboard input or a voice input. Also, the personalization of the activity profiles is a very important thing. Generally speaking, this device provides a huge variety of different activities tailored to your child's preferences. You can find things like basketball, soccer, gym, yoga, winter sports, racket sports, motorsports, and even more. And most of these, or at least it's some of these are customizable. For example, if you select run, you can go to run settings. Here you can select alerts and add a new alert, either a custom one or one of the presets. You can also change laps, which will change the view of the activity, and also adjust the settings for your child's activity here. Now, you can also set daily step goals in the application. To do that, go to the home section, go to your child's dashboard, go to settings, and here you can set a daily steps goal. If this number seems unrealistic for you, then you can simply provide a new one, then save settings and synchronize your Garmin with your phone. Now, you can also check the games. I think I mentioned them before. In the apps menu, you can find games like Math Flash, Copycat, and Watchy Bestie. Basically, Math Flash is the game which provides many fun mathematical equations. They're pretty simple for kids, and this way your child can improve their math skills. Copycat is for improving your child's memory. Your child basically has to copy some patterns that appear on your screen. And Watch Bestie is an app for creating or developing healthy habits. Now, you can also set alarms and timers in clocks. Here you can set alarms, timers. You have stopwatch and countdowns. So yeah, that's I don't know, not much to say about it. And also use the rather teach your child to use the check-in feature, which is a very quick way to let you know about the child's location. In my case, it's removed, but I think by default it has to be in the app menu. So the check-in feature basically sends you the child's location in one moment, so you can easily get to know where they are right now. And also in the application you can go to settings and check your contacts. You can manage the contacts, you can manage people who your child can contact with, and you can add quick contacts to their contacts list. There is some big customization variety in this menu. Now you can also customize your controls menu, and to customize the controls menu you have to hold your finger down on the start button, which is the top button on your watch. Here you have some basic controls, but you can edit this list by tapping edit and then removing the controls that you don't need, or adding some new ones by tapping add and providing some new controls. Besides, you can also adjust the widgets menu. You can either hold your finger down on a widget and move it along the screen, or you can remove it, or you can edit and add a new one to the list. Also, you can save your battery, which is a good tip, by disabling the wrist gestures. To do that, you have to go to the apps menu, then open the settings, and here go to system, then go to not here, give me a moment. Yeah, so in settings, go to display and brightness, and scroll down to wake on gesture, and this way you will save your device's battery, because it will disable on it will disable enabling your device by accident. And also you can you can use Amazon Music for in the device settings. Go to music, Amazon Music. Here you can connect to the Amazon Music profile and then upload the music to your child's watch. There is 4 GB of available storage, which allows you for a good variety of different songs and audiobooks. And one other trick is editing your child's profile by changing the display text. So in the display text you can set a custom text, and then confirm, save your settings, and then sync your device with your watch. To do that, you have to go to settings, sync and pair, sync, and once your devices are synced, on your watch face you will see a customized name instead of GARMIN. In my case it's HardReset, but it's hardly seen from there. And the last tip I want to share with you is that you have to also always keep your firmware or software updated. So in the settings menu, go to system, software update, and check for updates every once in a while. They actually add some cool features, like the last update added the calculator and tips for your child, and a calculator which looks pretty cool. I think it's a very useful tool for your child in school. And so these were the 20 beginner tips, and I was glad to share them with you. I hope that you liked them, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.